pawb hwyr yn y wythnos. Welcome back to the Fibonacci challenge. Croeso nôl i'r beth yma dyn ni'n fyw. Fi'n o live. Eiliad technology. Un channel. Dyn ni'n fyw. Croeso nôl. So, mae penodau cael eu recording fyw. Mae episodes are recorded live. Os ydych chi gallu clywed fi, hope you should be hear me. So, last time, nath ni'n neud. Cool. So, so diolch pawb os ydych chi'n gwylio fyw. Thank you for watching live o fod neu ar y fod. Sa'ch di colli down if you have missed the part is in the rest of the playthrough, mewn extra playthrough. Dwi ddim gallu recordio fy nilwytho YouTube because of the way. I can't pre-record it and upload it to YouTube after because my internet, so this is how we do it. So, last time we had a science baby, I call it science baby, and I did not realise that when you have a science baby you have them straight away, so that's fun. In amidst getting some stuff prepped for this episode, I got penwythnos yma because today we are at aging blwydd pwy ydy hi? Is it not Maya's birthday? A baby. We're aging the baby into an infant. Problem with the server, okay. No, yet. Sorry, 1 second. Why are you? Is it working? Because it's not working for me. Okay. So I'm trying. And feel can come into actually, but in between I just get bits and bobs done. So I think also last time we got Bella Goth to the to the graveyard. Edmund went. Nath I cael hwnna I sortio. I'm not sure, that was really weird. So I also got that sorted as well. We do have a few birthdays. But in the middle of trying to get this ready, because I thought it was Mai's birthday. I'll put on pimple with Mai under them. Have we missed Mai's birthday? I think oh no. I think I did with her. We did Mai's birthday last time. And ethnic oidio fyny, I believe. Into a kid? Chdi fewn I teenager. So, o'n I lesson learned hefyd, dysgu. Wnaeth cael babi gwyddonol. When you have a science baby, you have it straight away. So that's fun, and got the angry trait, so that's always good. So, dach chi angen cael family leave heddiw. And also, in the middle of doing stuff, we have new additions, new additions. I try and fill it up and just before the party. Dwi'n trio neud o just cyn y party. And my gave birth. So now we have Taliesin and Aneirin. So that's fun. So we get this one aged up as soon as possible. We might have 2 or 3 infants, dynatory infants, so that's gonna be fun. We do have 3 adults, mae gonna 3 adolescent a 1 teenager and 1 teenager, so I think we should be okay. They're gonna be writers or poets because they're named after Welsh poets. Mae nhw'n god am beirdd neu ysgrifennu, dwi'n gwybod, am bod wedi enwi ar ôl Aneirin Bevan, Aneirin bardd o 6th ganrif, dwi'n credu oedd o, a Taliesin. They're both from poets from around the 6th century. A lot of poets from about the 6th century, so yeah. We didn't do that because it's fun. Achdine Kakan. Is somebody making a cake? Somebody is making a cake for the birthday party. You already have time off. Mae'n brilliant. Do you have time? Amser for hefyd? Do you have time off? Yep, you have time off as well. I have no idea what people are doing. Envis is making the cake for the birthday. I've got a few things. I've got a few of their skill stuff sorted as well. Bach beth sgiliau wedi cael ei wneud. So we need cell 3 paintings on that one. And Kurt is doing the mixology. Betty to go. So yeah, dwi'n gorfod cofio fy hyn. I'm going to remember myself because it's been a few days. Ti'n gwneud lluniau and the creative one. So this generation, so Fibonacci legacy hefyd, Fibonacci legacy is we go by the Fibonacci numbers. Right, this is why they may not have the tool, ar ôl tool. So chi'n gwybod sut mae'r rhifau Fibonacci mynd, the Fibonacci numbers go 1, 1, 3, 5, 8, 13, 34, 1, 1, 3, 5, 8, 3. You add the previous one. So this generation we needed 5. No, 3. We needed 3. In the next generation we need 5, then the 8, then 1, 3, 4. We also might be running into a problem soon. Rhaid i any problem fian, because I can only have 80 Sims of my Sims in this world. So gawn ni weld, cos dwi'n chwarae'r PS4. So gawn ni weld how sut mae'n mynd. How it's gonna go, we will see. Is the thingy or not? The enable. Yeah, so you should be inspired. Nanny. Credit my actor. It is at home. Sweet. So gonna get it. We can sort of cheat this way. I do want Mai to go check on the babbies in a second. So Kamiski makes 3 drinks at a social event. That we can do with this now. Mai, just check your babbies. I believe they're fine. I want to say they're good. Team Cusky. I think what we gotta do also. I know you want to sleep. Can you just? Oh, that might be good. Actually, they're good. We can do pethau. I want you to do stuff. Dwi eisiau oedio nhw gyd fyny. I could age them all up today, to be honest with you. Because realistically, what do we have to do? Oh no, that's be 1 toddler, 2 infant. So hwnna'n gallu gweithio. We've got to do a room change hefyd and go and newid ystafelloedd o gwmpas. My birthday's for tomorrow. I might just honestly age up my today. No, I can't go here. I got the wrong date. Never mind. See, gawn ni weld. gonna be also a mint pit with how chaotic it's gonna be, because it's gonna be. Oh! Stick off at wait, did you finish it? I don't know what you're doing. Is there people here? I have no idea. What are your skills? But dit is gelicht. TNN. How many days do you have left? When did I get you for all? You have a few days left. Let's get you to do the mwy o'r lluniau yma. I'm gonna run out of space eventually. I'm dweud allan o lle eventually hefyd. Be oedd hwnna? What was that one? Animal, okay. So os ti'n neud monster. I'm having a party, but nobody's come round for it yet. Nobody did around. Oh, babi. Teen Nada, you're on the job. I also saw, I was watching Kelsey in Peach's May's video, where if you split them up, it means mae'r toddlers a babi ddim yn fatha deff-regularly. Just need to run and hurry. Yeah. Do that in a second. Oh, actually. Be ti'n neud? What? No? In... Oh my god, my Sims. Too many Sims. Teenager. Ti down paintio? You're still painting. Okay. Unwaith ti... What are your skills? No, teenager skills matter. Poeni amdano hwnna. I don't know. I'm gwybod. Okay. Can you help with this one? Oh, yun gonna put birthday, add birthday candles. Actually, get D, because teen rhydd. You can do this one. Dined hon. Yeah, I was watching Kelsey and Peach's May's video. That's really handy to be like, seen if you break up the rooms, we could have that as the kids' room then. That in ar gyfer Maynard and just basically like have each room ar gyfer bob un. No. Team man, I do that. Because theoretically, as long as Mad can be fed up, as long as there's thingy on the cake, that's fine. So team gallu mynd so rheswm. Okay. Babbies are all good. Let's you go for a nap. Because this tea just tried you just given birth. I'm a nappy mat. So there's a potential we can get more money. I also want to try and get into a bigger house. Because yeah, I was watching Kelsey and Peach's May's video on it, which was really handy. Swear I heard a ghost. Quad Ghost, no, which was basically if you if you have like the toddler or infants, I don't remember what they said, but in cloud like they can move independently and stuff. So I think I want to rejig some spaces o gwmpas. It's not meant, you ddim fod with a 100 BB challenge. I don't know if it's gonna get as intense as that. Team di cysgu, you're gonna be aged up in a second because you're gonna be aged up. I don't know. Dwi'm yn gwybod be i wneud. I honestly think it might be good to. Sorry, I don't trust The Sims for stuff to go wrong. It's, you know, toilet. You need. I don't know when they do need to go to the toilet, where they don't. Oh, it's down the idiot. So theoretically, we've done. Yeah, done it now. We just need to do that as the career and stuff, and I'm trying to like this is an experimental bit. I'm gonna let experimental. Gan fod I don't you be ti ar neud? Nes I gofyn i Crystal dod o gwmpas? No, you didn't. Why is Crystal not here? Ti 'di gael nhw lot. Do. Come on, Crystal. Oh, okay. We gallai bod nhw'n dod. Are they already coming? Mae'n really rhyfedd. That's so weird. Sorry, you need that 1 second. Because there's only an age of any babies. If you do age up the babies today. Wait, pan dwi'n gallu gweld? Does it keep saying errors? When did errors? Okay, I don't know. Gobeithio it's okay for everybody else. I don't know. Ti'n gael fama shadow pawb? Dwi'n gwybod pam. I have no idea. Ooh, partners. Ti hefo un. That is so bizarre. Mae'n really rhyfedd. Yeah. Okay, so mae babies I gyd yn iawn. Yeah, honestly, the babies and the infant stage and Sims 4 base game, I ddim really fussed it on, so I think I might just age them up now. We do room Elnid a stafell and we try and fit trio ffitio bob dim mewn. Ella fydda'n hawsach. Might be easier that way. Do you need young adult? You do know Deborah does. Yeah, you do know Deborah. I'm trying to make sure they. Oh, that's where Crystal is. So I couldn't find them. So yeah, I think we are gonna just age up. We have a little bit of a let them talk, and you know. So the kids. Oh, there's kids. The kids and teens are in this room then. Who's here? Dion. Teen. Oh, so we're just having a little family gathering. Maynard Loti. If we have a family gathering, Mai's just asleep. Think about it. You do know them? Yep. Yeah, that's fine. T. You know. I want to try and make sure that for the story about Dimanuka, but yeah, they do. Okay, so I think I did was so you 14. I have no idea Pamanavana. Why are you there? Okay. I do not know what to stick with. I'm thinking but then gotta have Ned, but we've gotta put stuff as well. Oh, that's cool, level 9. Tiana, I'm bored, but I think. Do you want? Why don't we? Yeah, we'll do it anyway. Nido one. So, can we help somebody blow out candles? And then, I mean, you definitely we're gonna wake him up, but it's fine. Then I think we have. Come on, Kurt, bet you need. We need Hina. So it's like a kind of little family gathering. None of you do have any pawb. Except for my, we'll just do like a little cacan fory. Like a little cake. Need a cacan go run fory. Because teen. They're not gonna like it. Do you know they mean do like a little bit? We need pictures of that in Clonny, I know hefyd. We will do that tomorrow. Or when my defro. Mindy. Okay, let's randomize this. So we've got intense. Oh, charmer. Oh, cute. Telling his bonus. Okay. So Betty Hunt, what is this one? And these sorts of stuff to socialise. Communicate and don't suffer stranger danger from strangers. Ah, okay, that's cute. So teenager, how are you doing? Oh, he's so cute. The Quisha, the little glasses. My boy, who is in the kitchen? Can you take a picture? Take a little clear of it, please, because that would be really cute. So, we try and do the. Why are you doing that? Pam o ti'n neud hynna? I have no idea why. Dwi'n gallu, oh, you can't do celebrate. 10. Okay, hang on. Oh yeah, forgot I was taking a picture. None of the cousins. Is Envis too close? Oh, pawb wedi ghostio allan. Okay, I think Envis is too close. Yeah, I think. Okay. You can get technically telling me, please, and then Tellin's going to be fed, and I think I'm just going to eat everybody up now. Because it might actually just house that. I'm going to get Mai to age them up. Why is that such a mum? Like 9 clean photographs that can give it to the 9 mama 9 ones. We need to also like yeah, we'll just age all the kids up. Oh, do you have any kids who get funny? Oh, I think it'll just be easier. Ti'n gallu mynd I oedio fyny, and then we gotta wait, infants better than babies? I don't know, dwi'm yn gwybod. We'll leave it. I do want Envis. Yeah, let's do a like Envis, because T and okay, Mike can just do oh wait, so toddlers can okay, so we need to find a way so sy'n ni cael bwyd ar yr so mae toddlers gallu cael o'r bwr felly, so if you have a toddler at a gwylod, we don't have to keep constantly feeding them by ourselves. Okay, so that's something for the future, beth ar gyfer dyfodol. You know, don't fall asleep right now. So Tellin, what has Tellin got then? Oh, bonus, you got 1 about in barod, so that's cool. Tellin, I don't really know what we're going to be doing. I think we're just going to do an all-round of ar gyfer sgiliau gyd. And then when the babies are and toddlers, I think we move because no wait, I'm trying to do time thing one. Oh, that's interesting. I'm gonna do that all. Okay, so yeah, I think we do that. My pending Nigaske. Why don't you go? You go sleep. One of the other adults can do. Un o'r ddwy arall gallu edrych ar ôl babies. Kurt, does edrych ar ôl dy plant. Kurt, go look after your children. What do you want, Betty Annan? It's easier to get us a bin in here. Is it going to be easy for us to get a bin in here? Like meddle one. Because we've got 2. No, it's going to. Die baby in toddler. We've got 1 baby. 2 babies, 1 toddler, sorry. it's easier to cut this room off. It's gonna need, and we do have one downstairs, but now we got technically 2 toddlers. Die toddler? No. Yeah, so we can alternate them. No, he's a child, so can toddlers use that? I'm gonna have to look into stuff. Edrych fel ni be mae toddler yn gallu defnyddio for skills compared to kids. I know there's a really cute one where I think os dwi'n gallu neud o, it was Maynard. Maynard's having a shower, right? No, Maynard fanna. Why don't you? So you can do this and you can play dolls with Talon. And they can I don't know if they have to, if Talon can make their way over there. Let's clear that now. Stick off on board. Can they? Dwi eisiau gweld fatha y brofiad. I want to see if this will actually work. Team Donna, are you going there? It's really cute. My plants are kids and like toddlers can have a gilydd. It's really cute. Dwi'n gwybod if it boosted. Dwi'n gwybod os mae'n boostio fo ta be. Don't think it does. I think you might have to have like a inspired mood thumbnail. I think it's really cute. You got the cousins playing together. The cael cousins had a gilydd. So mae hwn... Yeah, I don't know if it's actually easier if we have this bin arall hefyd yn y thing. So you can also have them, I think you can have them dance help. Ah, that's cute. So we could get both. So this is my plan. When we do my plan I cael when we have like lots more kids in the next gens and stuff, in the gens nesa, is to get the kids in next gen like helping together. So technically wedyn you have both Kurt, did you just gadael the plant and yeah, you just left your kids. Okay, cool. I mean, that is a valid response, I guess. But yeah, I want to see it's got dance help. So my Envis has got mentoring, so I'm gonna see if like for the next few gens I'm going to experiment with this. Trio cael bethau mynd yn gynt to get bethau mynd yn gynt to get stuff going faster. Where you go? To get into stuff faster with like the next gens, into the next gens. Goes faster at all. 17. Oh, one of the other cousins just tidying up. Ti'n gallu mynd? Let's do nid chdi. Get them to do it. Maybe Mummy help chdi. Yeah, so I think that's really cute. I don't know. So my plan eventually is basically that. Actually, ti'n gallu llnau hwn fi, please, yn sydyn. get these to like help you gilydd, so toddlers help with kids, so you know all the skills. You know, you don't have to do like so differently. He's having a shower, so gwaith chdi mynd fyny fanna. We'll get you to Tiana and socialise. Did you do with Katra actually? At least I've done the homework. I just realised that. Do you know the copy on her? Okay, that's ready. Okay, so Tiana'n bwyd a Tiana'n toilet. Take a piece and then okay, so really handy. I think it's worth having some toys in the inventory then. Got bit in it. He's got him dance up, but he's still lawr. But you're sitting down. I don't know why. Okay. Nath yna ddim gweithio. That didn't work. Na ddim gweithio o gwbl. Did not work at all. Okay. Wait, this is an experimental generation. Mae'n arbrofi cos da ni'n just ffeindio bob dim. So, what do flashcards do?
Awavine! Floopy, you threw ya. Bro hooray a zeeg. Runa!
So flashcards, do flashcards actually help? Our little mother and daughter bonding. No? No, we're not. Danny ddim. Okay. Cool. Are you, Uti? Okay, so Betty just can't, you just get it then? So you got the thinking skill. Oh no, to name how you don't have it. Okay. Right, okay. That's intriguing. No, not really diddorol. I have no idea what to do with. One baby's asleep, one baby's up. Pa baby's in. Oh, Kurt's on it, barod. Cool. Chdi cael dan y cacan. And then we're gonna sort out what Telyn wants. Be Tiana'n cwsg, you want sleep. I need thingy. Do you need is anybody using? Yeah. Okay. Wait, what did you need again? What do you need again? Oh, just go sleep. Oh, actually no, you need to sell that one. I'll just yeah, I don't know. Kind of mind it hwnna, and then go sleeps. Then it's a lot having like things to look after are all tea and an attention. So Pam, lle wyt ti'n mynd? Go here. Ti'n gallu just, will your communication skills go up os ti'n just siarad? I believe so, right? Yeah, I think having everything on the toddler level might be handy, so I might need to redesign I think I might need to redesign the next house. level 2. Because we got to level 2 to credu for movement, right? Yeah, for movement. Dwi'n credu mewn level 2. Okay, and a lot of Sims. There's too many Sims to think. Ti'n cael hwnna, and what do you need? Really, you're actually pretty good. Ti'n parod da bob dim. Ti gyd i gallu cario ymlaen. You need to do... If you're playful, actually, gan i wneud violin. Ti'n mynd i deffro babis fyny? Don't know. Put you in... No. I'm going to put you in there. Ti'n gallu accessio fo wedyn? Can you access that? And then I think I want to try and get see Envis, os mae Envis gallu mentor fo, on if they can mentor them on that. Is your babies okay? Yes. Oh, I need a toddler bed. Oh, I need a toddler bed as well. Okay. Yeah, y pethau when they age up. I think it might be yn yr nesa. I think it might be worth just having like illa neud un fatha un room gyfer babi, un room gyfer infant, un ar gyfer toddlers. Okay, so da ni gwerthu hwn. That can go to household inventory because fydd o'n handy. Be arall sgynnon ni? Oh! Honestly, I think we are just going to do like a separate room ar gyfer room ystafell gwahanol ystafell fel bod mainad efo ystafell ei hun, so we can just keep the violin one out in. And we've got that. We don't really use this. Be da ni'n defnyddio? What do we use realistically? Da ni angen gwely. If I put that there, our toddler bed, a gwely toddler fanna, we are good. We're gonna have to fit two, what do you call it? Cribs eventually in as well. Pan da ni'n oedi dau yma fyny. There's a good question. Where's a good question for that one? Okay, so that can be Talons for now. They don't know the man in a potty for now, so we'll put that there for now. Symud hwn I fama, because this is now Maynard room, ystafell Maynard. Yeah, should be good. They'll send you one of that. I think we should be good ar gyfer hwnna. Da ni di banan yn infant eto. So all the kids, mae'r plant efo ystafell ei hun. The because it's actually hyn. I think when Maynard is a teenager, pan ma'n teenager, and symud allan Envis, we move Envis and Telyn out, and then we get, yeah, I think so. Credit. I think that's what we do. Okay. I think we made good progress for now. I think I'm gonna call it there for now. Sorry, this is my episode like a little bit of a lesson episode, but I'm keep getting errors on my internet stuff. So, call it there for now. Next time we'll be aging up the twins and we'll do a little one for that. Neidyn bach got hwnna. And then we just got a chunk to go for before Nida. Only problem is not in managed worlds. Game option. There is one problem that I think might have is my maximum sim count is 80. Can you do it? I can do it. We're nearly 150. We are good. Dynnu iawn. We can do it. 150 gyfer rwan. Dwi'n meddwl fydd ni'n mynd i win. I don't think we're going to need to go higher than that. But we should be good. And then need a 150 and that should be good. That's so those are we can still do the challenge. But diolch I pawb yn gwylio. Thank you very for watching. I'm going to save it here. Ni can gwylio fama. Safio fama. Next time we will be aging up the babies and my fyny. So yeah, diolch yn gwylio. Thank you for watching. Gobeithio, I hope you stay safe. Cael pawb cadw'n saff. Recipes on playlist. Diolch os da chi wedi gwylio ar fod neu yn fyw. Thank you for caught up live or yn fod. So yeah, diolch pawb. Thank you everybody. Please save Sim. Please Sims. Please safio. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Done, yeah. So yeah, diolch pawb yn gwylio. Thank you for watching.